Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a little Cupshe swimsuit try on haul for y'all. As always, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. You guys know it's my absolute favorite place to buy swimwear, and I have a bunch of really cute new ones to share with you. I have just been loving all the colors, the patterns, so on and so forth. And I'm actually like redoing my whole bikini wardrobe because everything's a little bit different, you know, lately. So figuring out my size and all that, I still need to go through all of them, but I'm accumulating ones that truly I feel like fit me a lot better now. So yeah, as always, they did provide me with a coupon code. I will put it on the screen here as well as in the description box down below, because on the top of my head, I can't remember, but it is always the same. I think it's like Kelly F. I'm not sure. It'll be on the screen. It'll be in the drop box. I will also have all the swimwear that I mentioned linked down the YouTube shop button or in the description box with my general measurements if you are curious as well. But let's jump in. I've got some like very unique ones, some really hits, and then a little bit of misses, but you know, to each their own, okay? The first one, I need you guys to tell me where can I wear this, because it's so beautiful that I'm like, where? I feel like Italy? I don't know. It's so pretty. Like, I don't know where. Like, I couldn't wear this just in my backyard. I mean, I could, but like, I feel like this deserves like its own moment. It is just so beautiful with the little gold detailing. This blue is like one of my favorite blues. And then this like creamy ivory is so pretty and so flattering. Love the halter neckline, low dip down back. This is stunning, like no notes. I absolutely love that. Let's move on to one that's very much so not giving classy. It's given trashy. No, I'm just kidding. Anything that's like animal print to me signifies like a little sexy, if you will. This is also just a little bit skimpier. So this is a traditional triangle top, but it has different where it ties in the front, which I've really been enjoying. It's kind of got this like hook thing in the back, which is kind of cute. Straps around. These are kind of a hassle to like get into, but once they're in, you feel a lot more secure than if the tie is in the back, if that makes sense. You can control it more, and I like it. I like that it's black with the brown like in there. It's so cute. The bottoms, just a little skimp. These want to just go right up there, okay? But they're adorable. Love, again, these little, these tortoiseshell little circles match the back, the little logo. But again, this is a little bit skimpier, but I love that it comes with this little piece, which is so cute. It kind of like cinches down. You can control that. It's sheer mesh, like a stretchy mesh. This is so cute. Like, so freaking cute. Love. Okay, this paisley print, everything. Okay, I definitely think this is one of my favorites. I love the gold beads, again, so cute. And then all the different colors. I love these colors in a paisley print, so pretty. Again, traditional triangle top. I typically get my tops, if I can, in a large, and my bottoms in a small or a medium. It really, really depends on the style. If it's a tie, I go with a small because I can customize it, but some don't let you pick different sizes for the top and bottom. Most of them you can, so that's what I do, but if I can't, then I pick medium for both. But these are, again, a little bit skimpy, but so cute, so flattering. Love the cut on these. Love the little gold beads. Again, everything just kind of ties together so pretty, and I just love this pattern so much. Okay, this may be for somebody. This personally is not for your girl. I kind of feel like it gives Hulk Hogan WrestleMania meets Borat. I don't know, loved the color of this. They did send this to me. Love the color of this. I feel like this is just not a swim color that I would ever pick. This sort of like maroon with the sheen is so pretty, the little gold detail. This is really flattering on the chest, I will say. This sort of cut. I have this in, I believe, 2 other styles or colors from them, but not this specific one. But this is so, it honestly is very flattering. But just be comfortable with having a little bit of bottom boob. I have my scars that are still healing, so I don't like want a bunch of bottom boob, but that's why it's personally not for me. But it's not just that, okay? The bottoms, I was looking for the bottoms, and then I was like, wait, this didn't come with bottoms. And then I was like, but I got this one piece. Like, what? Like, I don't know, it gives Borat. Anyway, the bikini goes underneath it. It's, the bikini top. It's cute and all. It's just not my cup of tea. Again, the coloring is so pretty. It's like flattering on the body. I just don't think I would personally ever pick for it, but there's that one. Okay, here's another one that I was like, this is gonna be weird, but when I put it on, I was like, this is actually really freaking cute. So again, you have the top, and I was like, where's the bottom? But the top's so cute. Loving all of this. This is literally like an earring. It's so adorable. You could kind of like mix and match and swap that. I just love all the details that they do on their swimwear. This is like a balconette style top, and this actually does fit me pretty well, I would say. This kind of got a light pink lining, so it does pop out a little bit, but it's not like super noticeable, and once you have it on, it's fine. I would prefer if it was all the same color, but happens. Cute underwire for sure. A little bit padding, but you can remove all their pads. But I feel like the pads, for the most part, I don't remove them out of the swimwear because I don't have an issue with it. I was looking for the bottoms for that, and then I saw this, and I was like, what in the actual heck is this? But it's so cute, okay? So when it's down, it looks like palazzo pants, like cute. And then when you tie it in little bows around the shoulder, I was like, I'm kind of obsessed. That's adorable. So I love this, okay? You can wear it where it looks like pants, or you can wear it where it looks like a one piece. I kind of think it's genius and so cute and very girly and feminine, and these are really like lightweight, soft, and would dry really easily. So this is honestly way cuter than I had expected it when I ordered it. I was like, I don't know, but toned out cute. Speaking of animal print, and speaking of different like colors and patterns, I loved this like lime green or like olive green with brown stripes, dark olive tie strings, and then just your traditional triangle bikini. These just tend to be my easiest style that I can kind of customize the fit to and give myself the most coverage. This in a halter is pretty much my favorite, but I loved this so much. Thought it was super cute. Okay, this red, I have realized that I actually like red on me so much more than I thought it was. This is almost like a pinky red. The bottoms, so flattering. Love this like light pink stitching on it. Just think it looks really like, I don't know, cool and unique. It's only on the front, not on the back, which is interesting, but cute. And then this top, again, this one's one of the most flattering ones because it's kind of got, it's like a triangle, but it's a little bit thicker. So I feel like it holds it up better. This is tied into the swimsuit, so you don't get any adjustments with that, which I honestly don't mind. I think it looks really nice. Got a cute little bedazzler here. This is like a little sun. Again, white piping. This is probably one of my favorite bathing suits. So I'm going to the pool today, and I'm probably gonna wear this. So throw you over there, girl. Okay, I've been loving all the like fun 70s sort of mod, I don't know, color blocking, if you will, that they've been doing. And I loved this one. I love orange and blue together. Orange, blue, and white, so pretty. Again, more of kind of like a triangle, but like a mix between a triangle and a halter. So cute. This middle strap, again, around the waist does not move. And this has a clasp, which is interesting. I would have done a regular if I were picking this, because this is a little bit small or too big for me because I need a bigger cup size, but a thinner band. So I wish this was just a tie so I could customize it, but so cute. Love all the colorways of this. And the bottoms, again, are pretty basic, a little more full coverage, kind of in a mid-rise, if you will. Okay, you guys, I'm a sucker for anything striped, ruffled, blue, and yellow, okay? Those are just like a win for me. Okay, so this bottom, so cute. I also really do like these double ties. It tends to hide my biggest insecurity, which is like that little pocket of fat on my hips, my saddlebags, if you will. I don't know, are those your hips or are those your thighs? I don't know, I don't care. But this tends to, get out of there, sir. Hide that, and I just think the blue with the white and the yellow is so cute. So those are the bottoms, and the top is absolutely adorable. If I was gonna wear this, like I did it on the try on, just kind of like loose, but if I was going to wear this for the full day, I would tighten it a little bit more to get some more support, but so cute. Are you kidding me? The little butterfly charm here, hold on, this is like hecka. There we go. Little butterfly charm in silver, cute little ruffles with the like, it's like a yellowy lime green. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so cute. And it's just like crisscrosses a ton in the back, so super customizable. Adorable. Okay, this green color has slowly become one of my favorite colors ever. And I love it paired with gold. I like straps like this as well that kind of are like a bra strap. and tie in the back. This is so cute, very flattering, very cute, or very comfortable. It has like a thicker band strapped, and I like the gold little deals. Adjustable, everything, no notes, and removable cup pads as well. But I love the shape of this. I feel like it's super, super flattering. This reminds me of Monday swimwear, which is like insanely expensive. So if you're looking for that on a more affordable scale, check that out. This is more of a high rise to mid rise bottoms. Again, I prefer a lower rise, so I would have preferred this in a normal style bottom, but still cute. And I know there's like people like different things. So this is that, and then it has the little gold hoop that matches up top. Okay, I always love a little ruffly frilly moment. This is like a tie-dye pinky purpley sort of thing. This has a giant clasp in the back. Very flattering, very like, what do I want to say, just easy to throw on. Cute little ruffly sleeves. You can kind of put these off to the side as well, like a cap sleeve, or you can wear them normal. Very good coverage on the top. And then the bottoms are more of like a lower mid-rise, if you will. They have like this ruche, which I love this side, like this style on the sides. Little gold emblem in the back. Okay, last but not least, this little one piece. I could have sized down to this in a small and not a medium, but this is adorable. I love a brown swimsuit. I love this gold little seashell. Why was that escaping my mind? I don't know. Lots of cutouts, lots of fun twists, and I'll show it because this does zero justice for it. Adorable on. Okay, let's do cover-ups and clothes. Did I ever think that I would bring a top like this back into my wardrobe? Absolutely not, but I think it's adorable now. I used to wear this like all the time in middle school. Like a tube top style with like strings, and then this sort of like split at the bottom. I don't know, I think it's adorable. Like, who am I? I would gag if I knew I was gonna rewear those things. That just reminds me of something you would get from Hollister or Abercrombie back in the day, mostly Hollister. This little cute skirt. I have a lot of like neutral cover-up swim skirts, but I don't have anything in this like bright tealy sort of blue color, and I thought it was adorable, and these are so flattering. This also is another cover-up dress. This is a very long one. Stunning. I loved this over the paisley. I thought it was just very elevated. Little keyhole detail in the front, very deep V. Low back, cute little aglet details in this lovely maroon, and this crochet is so like soft and thin and breathable, and just like the detail on it is so intricate. Big slit down the front. So cute. Okay, this other cover up, this is my last cover up, and then I have one piece of clothing. I wore this actually over my swimsuit. We had a barbecue for some friends and family, mostly family. Yeah, just family, no friends. This past weekend, and I wore this over the top of my swimsuit. I did not try this on. No, sorry. Because it was in the washing machine because I got barbecue sauce all over it, but it's so cute. I would say I should have sized up. I got this in a small and it was a little tight, so if you don't want anything like super tight, go with a size up. This has like the most beautiful ruching on the side. It's so flattering and cute on. Love. And then last but not least, I got this super adorable, like kind of geometric, flowery dress. I love this when I saw this. I love a good shift dress. So cute. High neck on the top, string details that I have yet to tie in bows, but so cute, patterned all the way through. It is lined underneath. I would say, yeah, that's kind of necessary because it is a little sheer, but not too much. No pockets, but oh well, I'll take a lined dress. And this is so cute. Just like a perfect throw and go summer sort of dress. So that is everything that I picked up in my most recent Cupshe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering me on today's video. I will leave my coupon code here as well as in the description box down below. Let me know what your favorite swimsuit was down below. I'm definitely gonna wear that red pink one today in the pool to work on my tan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one very soon.